How to log in TD credit card online account. So if you want to log in to TD credit card online account, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser. Now in the search bar you have to search for TD credit card login, and now you will have www.tdcardservices.com on the first search. You can click on that and it will directly take you to the login page. So if you want to log into your account, then you can simply enter your information, or if you want to, if you don't have an account and if you want to sign up or register, then you can click on sign up, and then you have to enter your card number to get started. And after entering your card number, you can click on continue and you can simply follow the steps. But if you want to log in, then go back, and here you have to enter your username on the first blank, and after entering your username you have to enter your password on the next one. And if you don't remember your username or your password, like if you've forgotten, then you have to click on recover username or password and then you can recover it. But if you remember, then simply enter your username and then your password, and you have to click on login. And that's it guys, that's how you log in or sign into your TD credit card online account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.